Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on RHEL 10. But the process is same on all RHEL versions. Okay, first open the default web browser, that is Firefox. See here we don't have the VS Code. Okay, so open it, then go to code.visualstudio.com. Click on download or download for Linux, both are same. Click on download. Then select .rpm package for Red Hat Fedora SUSE type operating system. So click on it. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 155 megabytes. Wait until download completes. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the code rpm package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm -ivh -node apps, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name. Hit enter. Put the password of the sudo user or currently logged in user, which must have the sudo privileges. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to show applications. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. Open it. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Otherwise, close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, we got the same. Okay, so you have successfully installed. Go to terminal. This file is not recorded anymore. To clear the space, remove it. At least we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install VS Code latest version on RHEL 10. Okay, for more Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.